pulsates, yes.
Your penis is pulsating?
Yes, my penis is pulsating.
What's going on with City of Dania? What do you have to do there?
I don't know. I'll probably end up having to run the camera to figure out what's broken where. They were sent out there for the jetting, and then Hydroscout, when they cameraed, said that it was a septic tank or something that was full, and then there was also another broken line.
Takes longer to get hot, and you got to crank the handle all the way up to.
You got to crank it all the way. Cool. The thing probably won't back out very easy.
Something about that you can hide the. You do all this, right, Mark?
I do it all.
They'll put a package together for us.
I play the couch, staring at the ceiling, trying not to get in my feelings.
So then my dad got these to hold it up, but they didn't have the right size, so that's why it's all.
I see,
and
that's
it's
pretty rigged.
causing this to leak.
I can see the leak.
Yeah.
That
I noticed that. I don't
sounds
know
like
if he
a
uses.
pipe. Everything's loose and stuff.
Yeah, it's been a while since. It's just kind of frustrating not being able to turn it off. So it's hot. It gets hot, but it's not as hot as the back.
Look at that.
I got options. I can pass that fence like Stockton.
Yeah. Are you really that?
Yo, this is Boy Bono Grease.
That's
That's
just
gotta be put back together,
okay, and what else?
and then the backyard is the worst.
Yeah, you'd probably want to replace this thing.
That's probably what I'm gonna have to do.
Right here. Get right up.